Very good morning. Today I would like to talk about the Nepal flash floods that took place in the Rasool district of Nepal, located in Tibet-Nepal border, yesterday on 26 August 2026. In Rasool district there is one river is called Kosi river. It originates from the Tibet in China, and then it comes to the territory of Nepal through Rasool district. The Bhote Kosi river meets with Tirsuli at Tirsuli Bazar, almost in the middle of the Nepal. And further, when the Bhote Kosi river and Tirsuli rivers meet, the river is called Narayani. And when the Narayani enters into the territory of India near Bihar, it is called Gandak. So you have seen that the Bihar government also issues alert in this area. Because of that, the flash floods. It was a huge flash floods, and the volume was recorded at 4.5 magnitude. It washed away everything. In the Rasool area, in the border area, there is one Chinese immigration building, and it was 6 stories building. Everything was collapsed. And when you see the videos, many people they were running across because of this floods. And when they came to know that they were running and all, they were died. And then this water, the huge flash floods water, it came to that Tirsuli river, and then it also devastated everything. So far, the official record announcement that more than 400 people missing, more than 200 people died. The death toll may rise like many force. The government itself is telling. There were 100 hydropower projects running under the, help of India, and 22 bridges, all they collapsed. The Rasool district is one of the very ideal route for Kailash Mansarovars and the pilgrims from Indian subcontinent and from Southeast Asia, including Indonesia or Lagos or Cambodia. They pilgrimage to Kailash Mansarovar through this route, and yesterday there was also the Rakhi festival, and in Rasool district there is one temple, and many people visited this temple because that is their folk deity and that is very important for them. So now this flash floods, very huge flash floods, the scientists who are working on this area, they have speculations how these flash floods occur. Because it occurred in Tibet and Nepal, it is very difficult to go to Tibet, the area, and even Chinese government does not have taken any initiative to this area, so there is no information about this one. Then the three theories are now in the social media and other media. One is glove, second is landslide, and third is glacial burst. So glove, what is glove is actually the glacial lake outburst floods. And there are more than thousands of, thousands of glove in this glacial lake in the Himalaya, Nepal, Hindu Kush, India, like this, Himalayan region particularly. And because of the global warming and climate change, there are the glaciers are melting and they are feeding these lakes are very fragile also, very fragile. and the volume and velocity of these glaciers are increasing, and then it is very, the potential for future catastrophe. So, second theory came that there was landslide in Bhote Kosi River basin, the river in the border area. The two slopes they got landslides, and then they blocked the Kosi River water. And then when it was a very huge artificial um, uh, this reservoir created, and when it was outburst, that washed away. That was turned as triggered as this flash floods. And third, this morning I was watching some Nepali TVs and some geologists and glaciologists. They were talking about that there were 2,000 feet long glacier burst, and it fell down the deep valley of the Bhote Kosi river, and then it came down streams as the flash floods. So these were the three theories. Now there is no concrete story about this uh, the glacial this flash floods in Nepal. And these flash floods were further accentuated by the steep slopes because it is all hilly mountainous. The Himalaya, one of the highest mountain system. It was again the steep slopes, deep valleys, and the dense settlements located along these rivers because water availability, there are the river terraces for agriculture and very, very, they are very feasible in terms of the connectivity also. So many people they migrated down from the mountain and they are living in these valley regions. So these accelerated the volume and velocity of the flash floods. Earlier flash floods also Nepal got in 2025, Kerala 2013, Rishiganga 2021, and then recently last year 2025 in Dharali. They were some examples of the debris flow and also the flash floods, and they are due to either the cloud burst or either the glacial burst or the globe or the landslides like this. So the Himalayan region is highly vulnerable to climate change and natural disasters. And now, as population increasing, there is warming, there is climate change phenomenon all taking place. It will have a very future potential catastrophe in there. So we must have some mitigation measures, some family, there's some policies and some planning for, that to mitigate how to mitigate these flash floods in the Himalaya. Very difficult also to think about. And all these people, the government, the community people, the policy makers, or the general public, they should come, academicians, glaciologists, they should come and they then decide what they can do. They should have must a full planning to mitigate this kind of the catastrophe. And now all the agencies which are involved in this rescue operation, search operation or rehabilitation, they all are working, and the government of India is giving lots of that help in the food, medicines, also the rescue operation, search operation to the government of Nepal. And with this, I thank you very much for your watching this video. Thank you very much.